Looking at the sternum, I see the more or less a good approximation, the tilt of the sternum, and looking at the angle, actually of the line that connects the two iliac spine, I can see the pelvic tilt, right? So now from here, imagine that I could also start twisting and turning, but before we do that, so you see how this is a woman, no? Because clearly has the wider hips, wider than the rib cage. So inguinal ligament here, right? And the legs, where do they start? The legs, I mentioned this quickly last time. The leg will start from just where the inguinal ligament ends, right? Just below here, I have the leg. The top of the leg anteriorly is kind of halfway between the pubic bone and the iliac spine. So the legs are going to be more or less here, developing down here like this, right? The genitals in here, right? And here, more or less here, right? Makes sense? So, umbilicus, we had seen it's here, more or less at the level of the top of the iliac crest. And so now I have connected the leg properly with the rib